Hello friends, Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehouse environment, a cloud-based, easy to use, simple, straightforward, friendly, beautiful warehouse environment to store any amount of data with ease, faster, easy to use, and at the same time, very much user-friendly environment. Warehouse is actually a historical data store, as Snowflake is one of the best warehousing environment. Usually, to store live, real-time, day-to-day active data, we use databases. Whereas to store historical data, inactive data, we use warehouse. Snowflake is one of the best warehousing technologies in cloud. At our SQL school, we are into Snowflake data warehouse concepts right from the scratch, right from the basics with storage, ETL, SnowSQL, data factory integrations, Python integrations, and end-to-end implementation with a project for your resume, for your day-to-day job work. This is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch. I assure you step by step, nicely, friendly, guided classes right from the very basics of database and warehouse. From the very basics, I have been into these trainings for more than 18 years, and I love sharing knowledge. You see my love towards the technology in every class, in every aspect, in every example we deliver in our live training sessions, as well as in the on-demand video classes. We are into one of the hot cake technologies at our school, the Snowflake, a rich, user-friendly cloud data storage environment. How to proceed with our course? Request you to attend for 1 or 2 live demo sessions. Then we decide to swim together, to dwell together slowly, step by step. To step into Snowflake, we need to have database concepts first. So learn any SQL concept, preferably Microsoft SQL Server. Any SQL is okay, and then step into Snowflake. Step 1 SQL, step 2 Snowflake. Then to gain more experience, you may add Azure Data Factory ADF to your skill set. So SQL, Snowflake, ADF, yellow, blue, black, or the dark, whatever. Blue, one real-time project for Snowflake, and black, the dark one, the right side on my screen, on our screen, the other second project for our resume. So complete real-time, practical, step-by-step, friendly classes right from the basics with good amounts of total hands-on, not good amount of hands-on, it's total hands-on. I assure you on that. Come on, let's join hands for a small live demo session, and we'll take it from there for understanding more about the course, more about the curriculum, more about the actual takeaways from our classes. You may reach me on my number, or you may reach our team directly for live demo session registration. For your resume, for any clarifications on upskilling your profile, for your resume planning, or any other clarifications technically, you may reach me on my number or through LinkedIn, or for regular registrations and live demo, you may reach our team directly. Thank you so much, and see you soon in our beautiful, lovely, interactive live classes. Thank you so much, and see you there. Take care. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.